chili sauce filling and sealing machine. This video shows how to fill chili sauce into pre-made plastic bags. It is also widely used in chili sauce, ketchup, cheese sauce, jam, yogurt, jelly, honey, sports gel, cleaning supplies, etc. BD1410B3 filling and sealing machine has 4 independent stations and 4 units, 2 piston pump bodies. The PLC was upgraded from DVP32X to DVP16X, that is, the total input and output points have been upgraded from 32 to 64. Reorganized functional modules, more independent, and easier to maintain. On the basis of the original 2 mushroom push-button start switches, 4 sets of toggles are added, which is more convenient to operate and faster in production. It can fill 500 bags to 4,500 bags hourly. The irregular shape bag is a popular liquid packaging shape. It is also called the pre-shaped bag, stick bag, sachet, and stand-up pouch. It is a novel form of customized flexible packaging, diverse modeling, reliable measurement, seal firm, easy to use, low-cost packaging materials, etc. The manual and guide videos are saved on a USB disk. Those videos show how to operate, repair, maintain, etc. We support 24/7 online service. Professional design, support customization, high-cost performance, reliable measurement, seal firmly, customization available, on-time delivery, 100% quality assured. There are 3 types of volumetric piston pumps to choose from. It can be filled adjustable from 10 ml to 1200 ml.